Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Wizard YouTube channel. Your go-to place for career tips, placement updates and interview prep. If you are here, that means you are eagerly waiting for the Deloitte NLA assessment results. And guess what? The results are out. हाँ, फाइनली डेलॉयट का जो एनएलए असेसमेंट हुआ था उसके रिजल्ट्स आ चुके हैं. In this video, I'll tell you how to check your results and what happens next and some tips to prepare for the next round. So, if आपको सिलेक्टेड या फिर रिजेक्टेड मेल आया रहेगा, वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड बिकॉज मैंने बहुत सारे टिप्स इस वीडियो में बताए हुए हैं. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. बिफोर दैट लेट अस नो कि आपको मेल कहाँ पे आ रहेगा. आपने जो रजिस्टर किया है उस पे आप मेल चेक कर सकते हो. डोंट इवन फॉरगेट टू चेक द स्पैम बॉक्स. द मेल कुड बी देयर ऑल्सो. एंड इफ आपको अब तक मेल नहीं आया है तो फिर कीप पेशेंस. Within 1 day, you will get the mail. Let's begin with the video. तो फिर अगर आप सिलेक्ट हुए हो तो आपको ऐसे मेल आ चुका रहेगा. नेशनल एनएलए असेसमेंट सिलेक्शन फॉर इंटरव्यू डियर योर नेम. एंड इफ you have got the mail, many congratulations to you. Congratulations, you have been shortlisted for the interview round based on your NLA score. Please stay tuned for further details as we put together the interview schedule. Candidates will be disqualified or the offer will be revoked at any stage in case of malpractice or deviation to guidelines, slowly at the discretion of the organization. तो फिर जिनको भी मेल आया उनका यही क्वेश्चन है कि स्लॉट्स कब आएंगे, टाइमिंग कब रहेगी, डेट कब रहेगा, ऑनलाइन रहेगा कि ऑफलाइन रहेगा. You should just focus on preparing for the interview. Slots का मेल आपको आ जाएगा, टाइमिंग का मेल आ जाएगा, when are the dates, everything Deloitte will tell you. You don't need to worry about that. You should just focus on your online interview preparation. Yes, the interview will be online and it won't be offline. आपको आपके घर से ही इंटरव्यू देना है. So make sure that your laptop is in good condition, your Wi-Fi internet speed is in good condition. If you don't have a Wi-Fi, make sure that the phone internet speed is good. क्योंकि अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी मिस्टेक हुआ, then the interview will be ended and you won't get another chance to go for the interview again. So please make sure that all the required things to give an online interview is well and good. If you're not selected, तो फिर डोंट फील सैडी. आई नो बहुत बुरा फील होता है बट यू डोंट हैव टू फील सैड बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट द बिगनिंग ऑफ योर जर्नी. You would have got made like this. Thank you for your participation. We appreciate your efforts and enthusiasm you have shown towards NLA. After careful consideration, we regret to inform you that we will not be moving forward with your profile based on the assessment results. We wish you very best for the future endeavors and hope that our path crosses again. Best regards, Deloitte. So, yes, you didn't clear the assessment test. It is mentioned very clearly that you are not selected for the interview round, so you will not be further proceed. Now, for those who are selected और also for those who are not selected, आप ये कंपनी में सिलेक्ट नहीं हुए हो लेकिन और भी आगे बहुत सारी कंपनीज आने वाली है. सो यू शुड स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग योरसेल्फ. यू शुड सी दैट यू आर वीक इन दिस सब्जेक्ट्स, यू आर वीक इन दैट एंड यू शुड प्रैक्टिस मोर एंड मोर बिकॉज अभी डेज बहुत ही कम है. अभी बहुत सारे कंपनीज हायरिंग स्टार्ट कर देंगे एंड आपको ऐसा नहीं है कि एक असेसमेंट देने के लिए 1 मंथ का गैप मिलेगा या फिर इंटरव्यू देने के लिए 1-2 मंथ्स का गैप मिलेगा. ऐसे नहीं होने वाला. तो आपको बहुत ही कम टाइम है सब कुछ प्रिपेयर करने के लिए. तो फिर मेक श्योर दैट यू डोंट वेस्ट एनी टाइम और एनी डे. यू स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फ्रॉम नाउ. So these are the tips for online interview, that you should do your homework. Yes, in whichever company you're going to give interview, you should thoroughly read about that, what that company do, who is the CEO. You should know everything about it because Even if they don't ask you, they might not ask you, but if they did, then it will show a good impression that yes, you are interested in that company, you have done your research on that company. So do read about it. Second, dress for business, be confident, stay composed. You should not be wearing what you wear at home. Dressed formally, sit confidently. You should not slouch, stay composed. These all the things that are very small, but these things do get noticed. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask them. अगर उन्होंने ऐसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस किए हैं जो आप कंफ्यूज हो, आपको नहीं समझ आ रहा, तो फिर आप उनको वापस रिपीट करने बोल सकते हो, आप उनको इजी सिंपलर लैंग्वेज में समझाने बोल सकते हो. यू डोंट नीड टू फील हेजिटेट टू आस्क देम एनी क्वेश्चंस. Get clarification. Yes, do clarify all the things that you are confused about. Follow up. Ask them for their follow up. If you're done with your interview, then they will ask you. If you want to ask any questions, then you can ask them that when can I expect the next mail, or when, how was my interview? What are your feedbacks on it? You should never feel hesitate to ask any questions to the interviewer, because they don't only test your knowledge, they also see how confident you are with the things you know, and how does your brain work, how are you in a communicating things. So do ask all questions also. What to prepare? See, इसका आंसर तो ऑनेस्टली कोई नहीं दे सकता, because they do not sit taking a they might sit taking a few questions, but you never know what those questions will be, from where those questions will be. They can ask you literally anything. So आपको अगर अपनी 4 साल की या 3 साल की मेहनत वेस्ट में नहीं डालनी, तो फिर प्लीज do preparation of each and everything. Even if it is a small thing, you might think कि अरे ये तो मैंने सेकेंड ईयर में पढ़ा था, अरे ये तो फर्स्ट ईयर का है, ये बहुत इजी है. But when you sit in an interview round, it gets very frustrated. Your brains like stops working because you're very nervous. So don't ignore such small things also. हर एक सब्जेक्ट को, हर एक चीज को, even it is very easy, you should know everything. You should have revised everything. First, aptitude and logical reasoning. Yes, they might ask you logical questions, few puzzles here and there, to know if you are a book smart or a street smart, or how does your brain work. You should know that also. Second, technical round, coding plus SQL plus testing concepts. You should know SQL. You should know core subjects, which are DBMS, CS, OS. You should know networking questions also. They will ask you to write pseudocodes for some programs. You should know that. You should know the time complexity, famous sorting algorithms, case studies, and business scenarios. Yes, they can ask you even this. They can give you various case studies related questions which you should know how to answer. Behavior and HR round. This is also very important. Many of people think कि अरे हाँ HR राउंड ही तो है, हो जाएगा, what she will ask. लेकिन ऐसे नहीं रहता. Even if many of you clear technical round, it gets difficult to clear HR round, because they do see your behavior, your way of talking, the way you answer. It should not feel arrogant in any way. Mock interviews and resume preparation. This is very important. The resume which you have prepared and submitted on the Deloitte, you should know each and everything you have written in a resume. If you have written, C, C++, Java, then at least you should know the basic concepts of each and everything. Because if you say कि अरे मैंने लिखने के लिए लिख दिया लेकिन but I don't know how any about it, then it will throw a really bad impression towards the interviewer. So do prepare your resume very well and give mock interviews. It will increase your confidence. It will make you more confident that you know how to answer, you know how to behave, know how to put your answers towards the interviewer. So do consider all these tips. And for those who have got rejection mail, don't be sad. ये लास्ट कंपनी नहीं है, और भी बहुत सारे कंपनीज आएगी. बट डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम, यू नो वेर यू स्टैंड, और कंपटीशन बहुत ही ज्यादा है. तो प्लीज 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 डोंट वेस्ट एनी ऑफ योर टाइम एंड डू प्रिपेयर yourself for the best. Keep learning and keep improving yourself. Keep applying for jobs. बिल्कुल ये सैड मत हो, अरे मैंने 3-4 जगह अप्लाई किया लेकिन मैं 3-4 जगह सारी जगह रिजेक्ट हो गया, अब I don't know anything, I'm very stupid. Please don't think all of this. Just keep practicing, keep focusing on studies, और हल्के में मत लो चीजें. There is a lot of a competition in the market. You need to put your best foot ahead if you want to secure a good job. And there are many opportunities to come, so don't feel sad, don't get upset. This was all for today's video, guys. I hope this breakdown helped you. If you got selected or rejected, please move ahead in your life, do better, and best for what is you. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Coding Wizard so you don't miss out any opportunities that we post. And do share this video with your friends also. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye.